Hello everyone, welcome to my channel GSP Studies. Get ready for the dictation. 5 seconds. Start. The genesis of the suo motu proceedings initiated by the High Court, as noticed earlier, lay in the publication of the articles, stories and write-ups questioning the propriety of certain orders passed by a two-judge bench of this court, of which Justice Y.K. Sabharwal was the presiding judge. Stop. The substance of the offending publication was that Justice Sabharwal had, by reason of the orders passed by the bench, benefited the partnership business of his sons in real estate development in and around Delhi. Stop. The text and the context of the said publications was focused entirely on the question whether Justice Sabharwal should have heard the matters and passed selling orders of commercial properties in residential areas of Delhi, which orders were perceived to be beneficial to the real estate business of his sons. Stop. What is, therefore, undeniable is that the publications were actually seen as contemptuous vis-a-vis the Supreme Court. Stop. No part of the publications referred to the High Court of Delhi or any other High Court for that matter. Stop. The publications did not refer to any judge or any order of any court subordinate to the High Court of Delhi. Stop. Initiation of proceedings by the High Court in such circumstances was, it is evident, meant to vindicate the Supreme Court more than the High Court who initiated those proceedings. Stop. The question is whether the High Court could do so. Stop. The appellants argued and, in our opinion, rightly so, that the Supreme Court was and is competent to punish for contempt of itself. Stop. This is evident from Article 129 of the Constitution, which reads as under. Stop. Para. Article 129. Does the Supreme Court to be a court of record? Semicolon. The Supreme Court shall be a court of record and shall have all the powers of such a court, including the power to punish for contempt of itself. Stop. Para. So, also Article 215 of the Constitution empowers the High Court to punish for its contempt. Stop. That provision reads, semicolon, para. Article 215, para. High Courts to be courts of record. Does the every High Court shall be a court of record and shall have all the powers of such a court, including the power to punish for contempt of itself. Stop. Para. The provisions of Section 10 of the Contempt of Courts Act, 1971 also empower the High Court to punish for its own contempt or the contempt of courts subordinate to it. Stop. Section 10 reads. Stop. Para. Power of High Court to punish contempts of subordinate courts. Does the every High Court shall have and exercise the same jurisdiction, powers and authority, in accordance with the same procedure and practice, in respect of contempt of courts subordinate to it, as it has and exercises in respect of contempts of itself. Stop. Para. Provided that no High Court shall take cognizance of a contempt alleged to have been committed in respect of a court subordinate to it, where such contempt is an offence punishable under the Indian Penal Code within bracket 45 of 1860 bracket close। এই প্যাসেজে স্ট্রোক এবং পিডিএফ পেতে আমাদের টেলিগ্রাম গ্রুপে জয়েন করুন। ভিডিওটি ভালো লেগে থাকলে লাইক, শেয়ার অ্যান্ড সাবস্ক্রাইব করতে ভুলবেন না। থ্যাঙ্কস ফর ওয়াচিং।